Is it time to buy or sell Micron stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Micron. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 20th of September, 2024, our system has categorized Micron as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.31. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations but currently shows no change, reflecting a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a broad and downward trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is to be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $91.85 will initially indicate a slowing rate of decline, but it may also serve as the first sign of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible decrease of approximately 37.46% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from a decline of 46.06% to 36.81%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a possible increase of 46.27% over the coming year, with a potential return varying between 41.23% and 168.95%. This translates to a price range of approximately $128.38 to $244.48 after a year. Our latest daily update for Micron features the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Micron Stock Price After Friday Trading. The Micron stock price increased by 1.85% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, rising from $89.25 to $90.90. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.97%, with a low of $88.35 and a high of $90.97. Notably, the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.23% over the past 2 weeks. There was an increase in trading volume on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with 3 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 28 million shares were exchanged for approximately $2.58 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $157.54, while the lowest was $63.83. Currently, the stock price is 42.3%, or $66.64, below the 52-week high of $157.54, which also stands as the all-time high for this stock. Micron Technology's recent stock performance is being closely examined, as shares have lost a significant portion of their gains for the year 2024. Current market sentiment suggests a degree of weakness. However, Citi has pointed out a potential improvement in memory pricing, which could act as a catalyst for recovery. As investors eagerly await the fourth quarter performance results, Wall Street is paying attention to key metrics beyond the traditional top and bottom lines, indicating a complex earnings landscape. Despite the prevailing negativity surrounding Micron, some analysts view this as an opportunity to buy. A rating upgrade reflects optimistic growth forecasts for the fiscal year 2025, largely driven by improvements in DRAM and NAND average selling prices. Elevated inventory levels position Micron favorably for maintaining shipment growth in the coming year, suggesting that the company may navigate short-term challenges effectively. Additionally, with the Federal Reserve recently lowering interest rates, the broader market is showing strong performance, which could create a favorable environment for Micron's recovery. For long-term investors, Micron is regarded as a top value stock, as analysts acknowledge its growth potential amid ongoing market changes. Currently, there are no recent analyst ratings available for this stock. For further insights, you might want to explore third-party opinions or conduct an online search. Analysts have assigned Micron stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as sell. Regarding the return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Micron. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, September 9th, 2024, and so far it has risen 5.37%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered to be a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals were issued as well, and these may influence the near short-term development. The Micron stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is an overall sell signal in the stock, indicating a more negative forecast. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $94.46. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $88.83. A break above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall outlook. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 45 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 53 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 55 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 48 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 38 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Micron. Micron finds support from accumulated volume at $90.42. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically exhibits moderate daily movements, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.62 between its high and low, which equates to 2.97%. Throughout the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.81%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Micron, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 25th of September, 2024. Analysts are estimating earnings to be around $1.10. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Micron. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Micron is at $92.70. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Micron encounters its first support level at $90.42. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Micron from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 8th of August, 2024, Sanjay Mehrotra conducted an insider sale of 14,531 shares of common stock. On the 19th of July, 2024, Scott R. Allen conducted an insider purchase of 269 shares of common stock. On the 19th of July, 2024, Scott R. Allen also conducted an insider sale of 137 shares of common stock. On the 19th of July, 2024, Scott R. Allen further conducted an insider sale of 269 shares of restricted stock units. On the 15th of July, 2024, Sanjay Mehrotra conducted an insider sale of 9,508 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 48.685. Overall, insiders purchased 202,408 shares and sold 636,480 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $85.59, reflecting a decrease of 5.84%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, suggesting a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 23 days ago. Is Micron stock a good buy? Micron exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not deem these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this moment, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting either to hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems determine that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of September, we anticipate Micron will open lower by 83 cents, starting trading at $90.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.